Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 6 of season 2 of Building a Search Engine. So today we'll continue building a search engine that searches over one subreddit called R-Learn Programming. But first let me as usual open the chat. So, chat. Okay. I guess everything is working today. Oh yeah. So okay, the sound works. Okay. Let me fix the Firefox size. So as usual, you can comment in the chat, and I'm very happy when you do it. Можно ли ожидать стримов на русском? In Russian means can you expect streams in Russian? I don't know. Maybe if enough people want, I guess I could try streaming in Russian sometime. Not sure how my other subscribers will react though. But yeah, you can expect it. Someday, I think I will try it. Okay, so if you watched if you didn't watch the previous episode, I'm going to explain what I'm trying to do. Okay, first of all, there is the search engine. It's actually, works, but it's more of a demo. So, it's not like it's done yet, but it works, and I'm going to show you. There is it. Okay, here is it. So if you type something, you get some results. I'm going to give you the IP address. If you want, you can play with it. There is only like 1,000 of documents indexed, and the full R-Learn Programming subreddit is, I think 77,000 of documents. So we need to index 77 times more documents. And during the previous episode, someone is searching. That's cool. Yeah, this is the number of documents indexed. I just printed sometimes. That's cool. Yeah. So. If you watched my previous episode, you know that I launched indexing process here. It was kind of slow, but not that much slow. And I expected it to be killed at some point because it was slowly eating away available memory. And the problem was that there is a thing called inverted index. So inverted index looks like something like, basically it's a mapping from a word to all of the documents that contain this word. So for example, for the word Python, it may look like this. So the key is Python and the value is something like, for example, 32, 42, 500. Assume this is some IDs of the documents. These integers are document IDs. So this inverted index is, logically it's fairly simple structure. You just can get all the documents that contain the word Python really quickly. And so there is a pre-processing step called indexing. where you go over the collection and build inverted index and forward index. And forward index is basically just text of the documents. It's even more simple than inverted index, just basically a collection of texts. And inverted index is what makes search fast. The problem here is I'm using shelf. I'm using shelf Python model. Sorry. Okay. Shelf Python model. Okay. Here is it. So whenever, yeah, here's it. Shelves. It's nice model. Basically, it's like dict, but it stays on disk instead of memory, so it doesn't take much memory. I added some layer of caching, but it's still kind of slow, and it slowly eats away memory. Although the second problem is easy to fix, but it's still slow. I think it should take maybe I don't know, like I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes. Maybe it's not big, and it's not big subreddit. Well, it's not. It's kind of moderately large for subreddit, but it's not that big. There are about 300 megabytes of data. It's not that much. So yeah. What should I do? And what I want to do is I want to So yeah, the problem is when I index initially. So say we have Python, right? We are building it, inverted index, and let's look at the word Python. How it's going to look? So we have a list. It's a map from word to list, and the problem is that it slowly grows. So for example, it can be 32, and it's sort of like, so initially it's empty list, then you add 32, then you, for example, you add 42 as you iterate over the collection, then you add 500, then it's like this, and it slowly grows. The problem is you constantly put it on disk and back from disk, and it's not, very efficient. Because, writing large pieces of data is kind of slow. And to speed it up, I'm going to do this thing. I'm going to do this index 500 of documents, put them into shelf 1, index another 500 documents, put them into shelf 2, and then finally merge all the shelves. And shelves are like Python dict that stay on disk. And I created one big shelf. So this is what I'm going to code right now. And let's write this code. So actually, there are three types of shelves. First of all, there is inverted index, forward index, and URL trading. Well, this isn't slow. This shouldn't be slow. Well, it's just just basically a list of all documents, like only parsing. So the real problem is inverted index being kind of slow, and I need multiple blocks for inverted index. So what should I do? So I need to write this code. I might need to refactor it, but let's just, because I used the same code for indexing and the same class for indexing and for using index. Okay, let's create block count, and then let's if self doc count let's write this. Let's basically, it's a magic number, probably not. Okay, but whatever. So if it's like every 5,000 of documents, we are going to create a new block. To do this, we are going to do shell open or path join block, and let's self block count. So let's create a new block every 5,000 of documents. Basically, I think this is enough, actually. I think that's enough. Oh yeah, and of course, let's increment block count. Self block count. Okay, now then let's make it in a function, actually. Def create new inverted index block. I think this would be simpler. Then I need to merge the. So basically, this is it. But in the end, we are going to. By the way, let's test the code. But why not? I mean, let's see how fast it is. So let's see if it works. No, didn't work. No. We need to try this. Let's test it. Let's see how fast is it. So we have about we have about 80,000 of documents, and actually, you know what? Let's add some login. I think I need to use login model, so I need to do something like login debug. Actually, do I import this model? I guess I'm just to add a print statement here. I probably will remove it. Okay, now let's see. So we are going to write the merging code, the code for merging these blocks. I wonder, so shelf, I think it got kinda slow. Actually, yeah, let's make it more, like, let's make a block every 2000. Then we will get about 40 blocks. I guess it's not that bad. And let's write the code that merges them. Merge blocks self. So we have I guess we can use list comprehension to open it. Auth path join self there. I guess I could. I guess I should make this a function or something, but whatever. Or maybe I should make this a function. I'm going to refactor it later. For e in x range of self block count. So we open each block and there could be several different approaches about for merge approaches at merging, but I think I think I can just get keys. So I could just do this for block in block. Basically, I open. I get all keys in this, in all blocks, and then I'm going to merge the blocks. Oh, cool! So it's working. I think it's working reasonably fast. Let's see if it creates blocks actually. Indexes whole subreddit. Yeah, there are some blocks already, which is good. So yeah, let's merge them. Just basically, we're going to do this. And let's print some keys. So basically we do this. Merged index key. equals sum, and let's just let's just do this. I think it's the most simple approach. It's not the most efficient, but it's the most simple. Yeah, and I think I'm happy with it. Yeah, let's test it. Basically, we have some blocks, and let's add some code. Let's call this function, and then let's test the code. Save on disk. Okay, I'm going to add some debug output, so it's going to be fun to watch. Okay, and when we call save on disk, we are going to self-merge blocks. I think that should work. I think that there is about 1,000 of, yeah, there's 1,000. Let's delete it. Yeah, let's, for testing purposes, let's decrease this magic number. It's fun to see how people try. It's a nerd. Thank you. So let's launch the indexing process, but let's do it on okay, created a new block. Okay, that's okay. Created a new block again. Global naming is not defined now. Okay, that's easy to fix actually. I just forgot the self. Oh, what the hell? Merge blocks. Merge index close. Yeah, I should. Where was it? Okay, line 50. So here. Oh, hey. What the hell is going with my game? So I'm doing some random. I don't think it works. Just want to put here. And actually, I think I forgot to Uh, we need to close the shell each time there is a new block. Let's test the code. If it works, we are going to launch the full process of indexing the whole subreddit. Well, it might take a while, but it shouldn't take a lot of what the hell. Key error. Oh, that's easy to fix. I think I could just, Okay, come on, stop trolling me, guys. Let's see. Yeah, actually, Tmux is a really nice program. Let's see some more trolling here. No, not so nothing. No more trolling. So I guess it merged it. I like to build big indexes by using Unix sort as a simple map reduce. Map over documents producing token doc.id. Pipe through sort. Reduce by taking. Oh, that's cool actually. Actually, I didn't know. Actually, it's kind of a cool technique because I really like how people use Unix. I really like the power of Unix, and thanks for the tip. Yeah, that's a really cool technique. I mean, I have used quite a bit of MapReduce, and I get what you're saying. Yeah, I guess I can see myself doing something like this by using sort plus avg, something like avg, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, thank you, Andy. Okay, since I already wrote it in Python, I'm going to test the code. I think I have indexes here, so indexes, small, come on. Okay, there is inverted index, and we basically need to remove the blocks. But I'm not going to do this now. Let's see how much. Can I do MD5? I think it's something like this. Okay, different. Files are different, but I think the contents should be the same. I'm not sure if it works. Maybe MD5 some return different stuff because maybe there are some padding. But basically, these two files should be there. Should have the same content. Let's copy them. Let's basically do a backup. And let's copy indexes small to indexes shells. I don't need this block, but whatever. Actually, I need to restart it. Oh, nice, somewhat rolling. Thank you. Let's see. Okay, I don't think anything changed. It was 65 results, and now it's 65 results again. the page didn't change, so this means that the code probably works. Probably. Oh yeah, actually you are right. I don't sort them, but uh, but at the same time I'm doing. Can it be the issue? I think I think I think the order should be the same. I don't sort posting lists. That's true, but shouldn't the result stay the same? Because I mean they should appear in the same order. So for example, let's say I have the word Python, and let's say the first block I put. So when I was building posting list without blocks, I was using something like this. So okay, let's use. So first it was 32, then it was 42, then it was 500, then it was 687, right? But then when I use blocks, it's essentially the same. So for example, there is 32 and 42 in the first block, and yeah, I mean, I actually, yeah, I agree that MD5 might be different. And that's okay, but I suspect that posting lists should be in the same order. I mean, when I merge them, even though I don't sort them, they should be the same. So when they should stay the same. When I merge these two blocks, I will get the same posting list, so it should be the same. But I guess MD5 might be different for some other reason. As for the lag, yeah, I kind of hate that there is a lag on YouTube. It's not, it's not nice. Actually, the chat is working okay. It's not problem of chat because I get your messages just when you type them. It's a problem of the video stream having a lag of like 30 seconds. Typically 30 seconds. Sometimes it's close to a minute. So for example, I can show you this test. And you should receive this before I type this on stream. So yeah. Let's launch the indexation process for the whole subreddit. I wonder finally I can index the whole subreddit. It might take a while. Now I wonder what we should do while we wait for it to complete. No problem. There is, I mean, I like to chat. So I think it might take a while to index the whole subreddit because well, there are 77,000 documents. What should I do? Meanwhile, should I do meanwhile? Oh, maybe I should calculate some lag. Okay, maybe I should talk about my plan. So I have a sort of a plan here. Actually, it's outdated. Of course, already did it. So basically, my goal for the season 2 is build a functional search engine for one subreddit. My plan is to, well, to just make it work and, oh yeah, push my code on the GitHub. I think, yeah, actually I didn't push it. That's a good idea. Implement simple external sorting. I don't know, maybe it's just some random padding, or maybe it's some meta information that is different. Yeah, so let's push it to GitHub. So okay, I pushed it to GitHub. Then where is it? So it's indexing. It's actually pretty fast. So today I think. Oh, by the way, let's start monitoring the free memory. I hope the memory won't be a problem. Sorry, where is it? Yeah. So we have about 300 megabytes free. That's good. I guess the indexing is now reasonably fast. When yesterday I started indexing, and when I woke up, it was only 25%. It was like 25% completed. So it was really slow. I think we managed to make it fast. So let's wait. Meanwhile, I'm going to kind of update my plan txt. So basically, I have sort of this stage, sort of, sort of state of the project file, and so I think that crawling is good. Actually, I'm going to put done here. My goal to make a functional search engine for just one subreddit. So indexing, let's see if indexing is done. Let's just test the code. Let's wait. Maybe it's done already. I think. I think if it works, I'm going to put done here. I need to work on snippets. By the way, if you have some ideas on how to generate them, like, I don't know, some simple algorithm, let me know in the chat. I use this pretty stupid algorithm, and sometimes it generates really long snippets. So snippets are these short annotations. I can show you. Actually, let's type something Python C++ programming. I think I can find a snippet that, like this. Basically, it finds. Oh, hi. So basically, it finds just the window that contains all the words or most of the words, and it sort of adds some of the words to the left and to the right. So, well, and it doesn't cut the content in between the, in between of bold words. So sometimes snippets are really large, which is not what I want. what I like here. So snippets. Well, I need some algorithm, a new algorithm. Ranking. Oh, hi, Alexandra. So ranking is again here, but it's only by points. I also would like to experiment with BM25, which is relatively simple method, relatively simple ranking function, and there is a web interface which is good. I'd like to make a few changes here, like make it more, stylish. But again, so my current work is on indexing, and well, I hope it's almost here. I tried to search for ways how to build the bomb, nothing found. Because you're not supposed to build the bomb. Actually, I think there should be some results. Yeah, there are some results because it doesn't, it just ORs all these terms. So, okay. So, what else? And my goal for this season is just to build this function solution. My sort of ultimate goal is to beat Reddit search. Like, Reddit search isn't good. People are often frustrated with it. Like, they don't even try to improve it, I think. So it's going to be a fun challenge. I'm not sure if I can make a better Reddit search than Reddit, but I'm going to try. It's going to be a fun challenge. I don't mind if I, fail because I'm okay. I'm mostly doing this for fun and, educational purposes. I like streaming. I guess, so yeah, here is it. So today, I don't know, how long have I been streaming? Oh, okay, 40 minutes. I guess maybe I will work on BM25, or maybe I will work on web interface today after I hopefully indexing it works. Hopefully it works. So after indexing, I probably will work either on web interface or on BM25 thing. And I don't know how much. Oh, okay, it's 30,000 documents. It's more than 1/3. I think it's about 40%. No stop word removal. Yeah, there is no stop word removal. I thought about it, but I thought whatever, maybe later. As for query expansion, I don't know what is the term. I mean, you mean expanding like synonyms? Let me Google it. I'm not quite sure what's query expansion. Oh, synonyms. Yeah, I thought about synonyms. Do you know any good database for synonyms in English, especially that is suited for search engines? Spelling errors. Oh, that's actually easy to fix. I think I'm going to implement spelling correction using n-grams. I actually done it in the past. So if you ever wondered how to correct spelling mistakes, there is a simple method called I don't know how it's called, but it's based on n-grams. yeah. If you need a good book on search engines, I'm going to paste it here. This is a really good book. Sorry, basically, rewriting the terms in the original query. I have no idea how to do this, but synonyms would be nice. I wonder how to build or where to find this database of synonyms. Am I pronouncing synonyms correctly?
Synonym.
Synonym. Have you tried to search using match against? What's match against? I need to Google it. Is that a query? Oh, match against. Okay. I suspected that it's a SQL query, but I mean SQL operator. But I'm a noob at SQL. I didn't try. I sort of want to. Experiment with things like. I'm mostly building it for fun, and I want to experiment with certain things. And I don't know if it gives me enough freedom. So actually, I guess I need to do stop word removal because, well, it finds some not very good results, not very relevant. So okay, let's go and look. Okay, it's more than 50% completed. So meanwhile, I guess I could. Yeah, I'm not using SQL. Yeah, that's right. I'm not using SQL at all. Actually, I wonder how Reddit source works. I guess I could read Reddit source code to understand it. By the way, I think I want to. Yeah, that you might be correct on this. I think yeah, it might be too big for certain words. So I thought about it, but I don't know. I mean, the index is still small because, well, the index is small because, well, the subreddit isn't that big. I mean, there is only 300 megabytes of data. Let's see. So, and yeah, only 300 megabytes. So I'm not very concerned about stop words right now, but I think at some point I might need to remove them. That's true. Okay, basically, meanwhile, while it's indexing, I probably need to I'm going to I want to use the same config on my VPS as I use on my laptop. So on my laptop, Vim looks really fancy. Why are you sitting in the kitchen? Because, well, that's where I stream. I have another room, but I typically stream in the kitchen. Okay, let's test. Let's see if Vim. Oh crap. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm just going to copy some stuff from Vim to okay, close it. No, I don't mind actually. I mean, it's fun to discuss because I still need to wait for this process to complete. Yeah, actually, it's a nice idea. I mean, it's kind of cool. Yeah, actually, I like this idea. I think I'm actually using an LTK, and I think it has some stop word detection. But I also like your idea of detecting them, only on this threshold. It's pretty cool, I think. I'm definitely going to experiment with it. By the way, like I mentioned, you can, leave comments in the chat. I very much enjoy reading them and responding to them because I still need anyway to wait for this to complete. Where I'm from? I'm from Moscow. Okay. I wanted to. Crap. I don't need this long. Yeah. Okay. I need the IP address of the that's kind of personal question, but yes, I have a girlfriend. So what? Oh, okay, I wanted to configure to copy some Vim stuff from my laptop to my VPS. Let's open DigitalOcean, log in and copy it from there. Oops. So let's copy it. So there is 77,000 of documents. So only how much? 13 remaining. 13,000 are remaining, and I think I have some time to. Okay, I guess my Vim works. Although I need to install Powerline. What the hell? I mean, no file. Okay, I wonder if there is a pip update. Oh, okay, it's called Powerline status. It's not just Powerline. Okay, I think. Okay, I think I have a fancy Vim on my VPS, so that's great. Let's wait. Let's just wait. It's about 5,000 documents are remaining. So let's just wait. How many people are watching? 57 people are watching, and it's probably very boring. It's going to be boring for a couple of more minutes until this process is finished. Although there is some margin, I wonder if it's slow, but let's see. It's probably more fun because there are some words. Then I'm going to test the index. I mean, I wonder how fast the search will be with a larger index, because I think the most documents I ever indexed with this code is something like 3,000, so not much. Okay, 2 more thousands. And let's keep an eye on this. memory. $77. That's good. I think there are something like 77 plus something. Okay, the amount. Okay, I think it's going to be killed by out of memory kill. Stop it, stop it. Crap. I think, yeah, not enough memory. What kind of database are you using for it? I'm using DBM, which is I think I'm using shell, and it's using DBM, some sort of DBM database, and DBM are really simple key value storages. Crap. Oh, I have to go. When you, if you have, Добрый вечер means, actually I don't know how to translate it. I mean, it's sort of hello, but if you want to say goodbye, you say something like до свидания или maybe but добрый вечер means hello. You can't use it. So okay. So what should I do about this keys? Oh, why the hell am I using list? I should use. Oh, yeah. Good evening. Actually, yeah, you're right. I forgot the word for evening. Well, now I know. Thank you, Slavomir. What country are you from? Okay, actually, I know how to fix memory issues, and memory issues. They should be easy to fix. Basically, I need to use set instead of list. Crap. By the way, I have a program called Keycaster. It's pretty cool. Tell me what you think about it. Basically, it does something like this. It shows all the keys I pressed, and for example, you can see how I use Vim. Let me know if it is annoying or if it is fun. I don't know. Sometimes I put it. I sometimes enable it. Sometimes I disable it. I don't know if I should have it on. So Okay. Poland. So, is Polish language similar to Russian? Do you know what добрый вечер means? Uh, so I'm going to use set. I should use set and not list. Yeah, that's true. I was trying to explain. Добрый вечер is a greeting. I forgot the word for greeting. I guess I'm not that good at English, but whatever. So the good thing is that I don't remove all these nice, blocks. So this means that I can't just skip. Or maybe not. I wonder what would be the simplest way to fix it. Ah. Okay, I guess it's pretty similar. Definitely looks like it sounds almost the same. Okay, I need to deal with it. I mean, I ran out of memory, which is okay. Okay, I guess I could just. Oh, you speak Russian too? Oh, that's cool. Where did you learn Russian? I wonder, was it hard to learn Russian? I mean, I suspect that Polish is um, somewhat similar to Russian, so maybe it's not that hard to learn. Uh, the only Russian I know is a few of sentences and yes, no. Well, that's enough, I guess. I think you could survive in Russia. Let's see how many blocks do we have. Oh crap! I forgot to. Well, I have. Um, ah, Oh, that's good to hear. Uh, I don't know. I know only Russian and English. In school, I learned some German, but I already forgot it. And one thing that was annoying about German is that it has genders. Native English speakers probably don't know what gender is. I mean, grammatical gender, not, well, uh, human gender. So, so well, in Russian, words have so gender. Basically, all words, all not all words, but some classes of words like verbs, nouns, adjectives have gender. So they can be either male, female, or neuter. And the problem is that what was really annoying about German to me is that it has genders, but it's not a problem. It's not a problem per se. But Russian has genders too. The problem is when you translate from Russian to German, the genders are like you sometimes have to modify it. And it's absolutely annoying because, for example, the sun is neuter in Russian, and in German it's I think it's male, and so they don't match. So the genders don't match at all, and it was very annoying. So do Polish has genders? Do Polish have genders? I mean, it probably has it, but I wonder how easy if like rules for genders are the same in Russian and Polish. Because in German and Russian they're completely different, and it was really annoying. Also, another thing I hated about German is cases, because well, you have to modify words sometimes, and English don't have cases except like in rare things like him, he, his, etc. So in pronouns, English has some sort of cases, but not much. And like, I don't know, I kind of hated learning German. I wonder if Polish. Maybe I should learn some Polish, because if you learn some Russian in school and it was easy for you, maybe learning Polish for me would be easy too. So okay, let's set block count and let's launch merge blocks. Okay, what the hell? Stop it. Crap. Why did it? Oh crap! I probably. What the hell? Oh crap! I forgot to comment it. Crap. Let's relaunch it. Crap! I need to fix it. So I'm right now. Maybe actually, yeah. German is kind of complicated. I mean, in learning English is for me was easier than learning German, because English is very different from Russian. Okay, I guess I learned some Polish. Gestes ważna laska. Oh, lubisz piwa. That's almost like Russian. Like this sounds completely like. I mean, it looks like Russian. Like I would pronounce it like lubisz piwa. Tell me if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I mean, I know it's kind of off topic, but um, I hope you. But I'm still fascinated with languages. Okay, let's fix this block problem. So first of all, I kind of create a new block. Damn. I don't want to. I don't want to run this indexing process one more time. Although that would what I would do if I was like working alone, but I guess I need to fix. And why didn't I make a backup? Yeah, damn. I corrupted some of the blocks. Okay, about. Okay, so let's index if indexed docs num equals to just and actually let's fix stuff here. Create a new block. Self-inverted index. Self-block count plus. Yeah. So here we don't need to create a new. I mean, my pronunciation of Polish. That's cool. If my pronunciation of English is good, I'm like absolutely happy. But I'm like pretty sure that I have a thick accent. Self-inverted index. So yeah. So basically, I need to put some doc count equals to 2000. Self-inverted index equals no. Return. So basically, I'm trying to recover the lost blocks, and then I'm going to launch, the merging process. Like here, right? Let's launch it. Crap, didn't work. Okay, this should be returned. Okay, let's launch it. We don't need to wait for full indexing process because I'm just going to recover some corrupted block, and then I'm going to launch merging process. So only 500 documents are remaining. Okay, merging blocks. Let's keep an eye on available memory. Damn. Unsupported operand type for plus. I think, yeah. Okay. So I think I don't need this. I'm going, as I promised, I'm going to just launch merging blocks. And I need to, I guess sum doesn't work for, I guess I could write a reduce, but I think I'm not going to bother with it. I'm just going to write a simple for instead of reduce. For block in blocks. Test. Oh, I need to translate this. Okay, it's French. Okay, you're too good. Sorry, I do not know. Exclaims English. Okay, I'm not sure if I understand this sentence. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I'm whiskey building Reddit crawler. Oh, thank you for translating it. No. Oh, is it a translation? I don't know. Okay, I'm building a Reddit crawler. Yeah, sort of. I think I get all the posts from Estabrating using API, and then I index them, and I'm basically building a search engine for one subreddit. Crap. List object isn't callable. Okay, makes sense. Let's keep an eye on used memory. Okay, we have quite a bit of memory free, and merging sort of works. The problem is that I have a lot more blocks than I expected because I forgot to make the block size larger after I tested it. Ah, crap. So, it might take a while. Actually, let me kill it and let's print Okay, here is the total word count. Okay, and let's also print let's do this and merge log. Okay, total word count is 200,000. What the hell? Uh, how to view few terminals in one iTorrent tab. Basically, I'm using this program called Tmax. I think there is it doesn't limit it to iTorrent. Although I think Tmax iTorrent has some support for Tmax, but I'm not using this support. So you can run this program in every terminal, and you can then split stuff like this. It's pretty cool. You can do fractals. I mean, fractals aren't very useful, but still, you can do them. So it's called Tmax. If you want some book on it, it's called Practical Tmax or something like this. Yeah, Tmax Productive Mouse Free Development. So yeah, this book is good. I recommend it. Okay, so it merges them very slowly. How is this crawler different from just searching from? So, but if you want to play with the current version, you can go here. You can go. What the hell is it? Okay, I think I killed it. I'm going to launch it. Oh, how to build a bomb? Python. So go if you want to see the difference. You can go here. But it's basically a search engine that I'm building for fun. It's going to be fairly different, I think. For example, it has snippets. I guess it's not that good right now, and there is not much documents in it. So the merging process is slow because I have a lot of blocks. I expected to have like 20 blocks. I don't know. I guess I need to kill it. So yeah, you can test it. Hi. Yeah. Hi. So, what should I do now? I mean, it's not terribly slow, but it's still slow. Oh, that's an interesting word. I mean, I guess I should do some filtering. And maybe I need to split better and remove these asterisks. Oh, but whatever. Hmm. I guess I'm going to kill it. So, first of all, let's, undo all these changes here. Ooh. I'm using some kind of elastic lookup. Basically, I downloaded the whole subreddit, and I'm building my own search engine that first indexes the subreddit and then uses these indexes to search. I'm basically building everything from scratch. Well, more or less. I use some Python libraries, but not much. So you can think of it as building a full functional search engine. Um, Node block. So I guess I need to undo all them. Hmm. Okay. So I forgot to modify this magic number. Uh, okay, now it's time to stop casting. One time I was having this program that shows key presses. I was having it on and I typed my GitHub password while I was streaming, so I had to quickly change it. So now I'm extra careful when typing passwords. Okay, I guess I need to launch a full. Sorry, I need to launch it again, because my blocks are too big, unfortunately. I guess meanwhile I can work on something different. Okay. I have been streaming for about 1 hour and a half. Okay, I'm going to be away from keyboard for like a couple of minutes. I will be back. And I'm back. Maybe I should end this stream and return back in 1 hour. I think that's what I'm going to do. I mean, so I think I'm going to end this stream now, but I'm going to plan another one. Live events. New live event. So when should I plan it? Maybe. So in Moscow time it's 9 p.m. Moscow time is 9 p.m. 9 p.m. and I need probably to plan it at something like 10 p.m. or 10:30. I don't know. Let's plan for 10:30, I think. So basically my plan for today is to wait for this indexing process to complete. And then return back in an hour and a half. Or maybe I should, yeah, I guess 10:30. So if you want to start streaming, you can do it like me. So you can create a YouTube event, and then you can go to you can go to the subreddit called Why Watch People Code. So here is the address of new event, or you can find it on my channel. Basically, it's not much fun to watch at this. So I'm planning a new event in an hour and a half, and then, so yeah, here's the countdown. I'm going to continue building it today because I really want to finish this indexing. So you can join me in an hour and a half. Meanwhile, I'm going to submitted to our watch people celebrate. Or someone send me a message. That's cool. So I'm going to return. It's just not much fun to, wait for it to complete. So I'm going to hopefully it will be finished indexing. So yeah. Oh. Sorry. I'm ending the stream. I think it will be completed within an hour and a half. So thank you for watching. I'm going to return in an hour and a half. Let's go and end the stream. So I'm going to stream. Yeah, thank